cleaned off. It's just fitting. This is kind of bent up. Some of the sides here, it's no good. It's just garbage. Get another one. Yeah. The granite's not cut out properly, so I don't know. It's interesting. Yeah, this is a real problem. They didn't cut the granite properly for this to fit down, and yeah. I'm also gonna have to repipe this. This isn't gonna line up, so I'm gonna have to cut it right here. Angle stop adapters. We'll have to have somebody cut the granite. I don't know what else to tell you. It's not cut right, so.